Hi everyone, Sal here with my 3-year-old son Azad, and we're excited to announce the launch of Khan Academy Kids, which is designed to take students like Azad, ages 2 to 5, to become lifelong learners.
Hi friend, welcome to my room.
Kids love this program because it's really fun.
Awesome!
Friendly characters like our narrator, Cody Bear,
Welcome to Khan Academy Kids.
interact with them throughout the learning experience. And we've combined tasks like math and reading with activities like drawing and storytelling. We really think parents and teachers are going to love Khan Academy Kids because it's aligned with important standards like the Common Core and the Head Start's Learning Outcomes Framework. There are thousands of activities and original books in the program. Khan Academy Kids also promotes social-emotional development through topics like empathy and sharing. And what's more, we've partnered with Super Simple Songs, Bellwether Media, and National Geographic Young Explorer magazine to provide learning materials kids will love. Khan Academy Kids is a free mobile app available in the App Store, Google Play, and Amazon. Download today and let the joyful learning begin. Hi everyone, Sal here. I'm here to announce... Hi everyone, I'm here with my son Azad, who's 3 years old, to announce the launch of Khan Academy Kids, which is designed to get students aged 2 to 5 ready to become learners for life.
Download today.
You say it loud and funny.
Download today.
Download today and let the joyful learning begin. How do they do this in movies?